Hi guys, today I want to share with you what's inside the Bosch GKS 140 Professional Circular Saw. The machine is 1400 watt. The saw blade diameter is 184 mm and the saw blade bore diameter is 20 mm. The no-load speed will be 6200 rpm. The weight for this machine will be 3.7 kg. Max cutting capacity in wood for 90 degree will be 64 mm and 45 degree will be 45 mm. The machine is made in China. To install the blade, press the button here and turn the Allen key to anti-clockwise at the nut. This is the vacuum joint. You can install at the circular saw and attach the vacuum. You can adjust the cutting depth from here. And you can adjust the angle from the knob here.